another tumble, running through the jungle. I know what you came for, but this is...
Hey guys, I'm getting ready to go to the gym, and I am gonna have Bocha Beets by Bocha Sweet as my pre-workout. I'm a huge advocate so far for these. I've only been trying it for a few days and seeing how it affects my performance. I will give you an update in about 2 weeks and see if I feel like it helped me to get more lean and train more effectively. But this is a non-stimulant pre-workout, which for me is great because sometimes I'm working out later in the day, like tonight, and I don't need to get all of the stimulants in my body that will make me have a hard time winding down and waking up and being at work by like 6:30 the following day. So this will give you all of the BCAAs, all of the nutrients and supplements that you want, but without that stimulant. And it also has nitric oxide in it, which is going to open up all of your vessels and allow all of those nutrients and oxygen to be supplied to your muscle while you're training. And that gives you more effective training and also can improve your results. So far, huge proponent, huge advocate. All you do is you take a small scoop, I put it in my shaker. I only put like 10 ounces of water. It says you can do like 14 to 16, but just shake it up and then you drink it down. And it actually tastes delicious. It does not taste like beets at all. It just has like a natural taste, and it's sweetened with that Bocha Sweet, which will not spike your insulin or glucose, so you're not counteracting your results by giving yourself sugar before you go work out. So, all right, you guys, let me know if you have any other questions. I'll update this in about 2 weeks and let you know if it's improved my training. I really hope so, because I'm doing the 28-day challenge with the Chantis Boom Boom, and I'm hopeful that this is gonna take me to the next level. All right.